In today's digital age, email is still one of the most effective ways to communicate professionally. A well-crafted email can make a lasting impression, whether you are networking, applying for a job, or simply reaching out to a colleague. Hit the like button and subscribe to the HR Fix for more updates on professional skills. Let's dive into the key elements of writing a professional email. Number 1, clear and concise subject line. Keep it brief and informative. Clearly state the purpose of your email. Example: hey, let's have a meeting. Meeting request, project discussion. Number 2, professional salutation. Use a formal salutation, especially for initial contacts. If you know the recipient's name, use it. Examples: dear Mr. or Miss, last name. Dear first name, hi first name, for more casual relationships. Number 3, clear and concise body. Get to the point quickly. Use clear and concise language. Paragraph your email for better readability. Example: dear Mr. Smith, I am writing to inquire about the position of content writer advertised on LinkedIn. I have 3 years of experience in content writing and am confident in my ability to Skill 1, Skill 2, and Skill 3. I have attached my resume for your review. Thank you for your time and consideration. Sincerely, your name. Number 4, proofread carefully. Check for spelling and grammar errors. Ensure your email is free of typos. By following these simple tips, you can create professional emails that leave a positive impression. Remember, first impressions matter, even in the digital age. Like the video and subscribe to the HR Fix for more updates.